recent years, operating systems have been categorised into two main classes based on their use, but there are no fundamental differences in how they work. The two classes are Client OS and Server OS. A Client OS is an operating system running on laptops, desktops or mobile phones. The idea is that these are for single users. They are specialised towards excellent user interaction. A Client OS allows a user access to programs available on the device such as word processing, spreadsheets and apps. You will have come across one or more Client OSs. Examples of Client OSs are Microsoft Windows, Apple OS X, Android and Linux. A server operating system is used by a commercial company as a file server or a computer server. An excellent example is Google servers for web searching. When we do an internet search, our computer CPU does little work. Instead, it sends a message to Google servers. These process our requests and send the results back. In general, a server OS has specialised hardware which has loads of memory, access to lots of disk storage and a fast network connection. The hardware may not even have a keyboard or display. You might even call it a headless server. The Raspberry Pi can be used as a headless music server. A server is a dedicated computer which is attached to other computers in a network. A server processes, stores and provides access to other peripheral devices for sharing. The Server OS provides multi-user access to host files, email, web pages, databases, printers and gaming. Servers have more boring names, you probably won't have heard of these. Examples of server OSs are Windows Server and Mac OS X Server. Linux can also be configured to act as a server OS. Without the OS, the computer would not work. The OS is responsible for managing all the resources and creating an interface between the user and the hardware. The OS also enables applications to interact with both the user and the hardware.